Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze Google Chrome rendering pipeline issues step by step in 2026. If a website feels slow, stutters while scrolling, or animations look laggy, the problem often comes from the browser's rendering pipeline. Chrome has to process HTML, CSS, JavaScript, layout, painting, and compositing. And any delay in these steps can cause performance problems. Let's break it down and analyze it properly. First, open Chrome and press F12 to launch Developer Tools. Go to the Performance tab, click Record, then reload the page, or perform the action where the lag happens, like scrolling or clicking. After a few seconds, stop the recording. You'll now see a timeline showing how Chrome handled the page. Look for long tasks marked in red. These often indicate heavy JavaScript execution blocking rendering. Next, examine the main thread section. If scripting takes too long, it delays layout and painting. Large JavaScript bundles, frequent DOM updates, or inefficient loops are common causes. Now check layout events. Frequent layout recalculations, also called reflows, can slow down rendering. This happens when scripts constantly change element sizes or positions. Use CSS instead of JavaScript where possible for visual changes. Move to the rendering section and enable paint flashing from DevTools settings. This highlights areas being repainted. If large parts of the screen flash often, too much painting is happening. Next, check layers in the rendering tools panel. Chrome uses GPU compositing for smooth animations. Properties like transform and opacity are GPU friendly, while others like top or left cause layout shifts and slow performance. Open the Lighthouse tab and run a performance audit. It will show metrics like first contentful paint and largest contentful paint, helping identify rendering bottlenecks. Also reduce heavy images, unused CSS, and blocking scripts. Use lazy loading and code splitting to reduce initial load. Finally, test on different devices using device mode in DevTools. Rendering issues are more noticeable on low-powered systems. And that's how you analyze Google Chrome rendering pipeline issues step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome performance and debugging tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.